Can we talk about how beautiful the sky looks tonight? Oh my goodness. It's like cotton candy. So what I'm doing right now is just currently washing some clothes because one thing about me is that I will take forever. It's hard to get things done because we're so ambitious. And I find myself overly ambitious to where I don't get anything done. Please let me know if you're the same way and what do you do to offset that, because I really want to be better with my productivity, but it's so hard whenever you have so many ideas and your brain cannot stop thinking. Also, wanted to show you this too, Magnolia. So this is a company that I use all the time when it comes to my laundry detergents. Magnolia is a local company based out in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I love them so much. They have a lot of vegan, cruelty-free, cleanly products that I think anybody would enjoy. And I also use this as carpet cleaner. Ooh, okay. I have these plaid pants on. Let me see if I can get you to see that. Oh. The tracking is like no joke on my face. Hold on. You see? The American dream. I'm just kidding. Guys, they just banned TikTok, CapCut, and Lemonade as we speak. I am just blown away. You seriously cannot get into the app at all. Look at this. You can't get into the app whatsoever. It is over. Like, what? You're joking. No, it's on like 14%. Look at this.
Wow, that's crazy.
They said 12 o'clock and it's only 10 right now.
Maybe it's 12 o'clock somewhere else.
Maybe, I thought about that. CapCut you can still open, but Lemonade, which is another form, is what I use. You can't do it either. You can't access it. Let me try CapCut. Currently in Costco waiting on my husband to bring the car because he decided for us to park so far away and it's like 9 degrees. Ideally it would have been better to film while I was grocery shopping, but we were just on the go, and whenever I'm with Casey it's like hard to really take your time when you want to go grocery shopping, so I have to do that whenever I'm by myself. Ooh. I'm out of breath because it's like 9 degrees out here and I wore the thinnest coat ever.
How is it?
Hush. I don't want to hear it.
Must have been so cold sitting inside.
Sitting inside or walking from there to there on the way in here.
That was like literally 45 minutes ago.
Finally made it back home. We just unloaded groceries. I deboned the turkey from Costco. It's only $6. I mean, why would we not get that? There are so many great cooking recipes that I could do with pre-made cooked shredded chicken. Like, are you joking? Because we could do quesadillas, we could do cracked chicken pasta, we could do so much with it. I'm hoping we can go to the Container Store because I'm really wanting to turn this closet into a pantry. It's a disaster right now. It's a coat closet. However, I'm just ready to have more space because our kitchen is cute and all, but that's really it, is that it's cute. It's not really practical, so I would love to change it around and just put things where it's easy to see. And I know that by changing out this closet, it's really going to help us. So I'm really excited and look forward to having this as a project. And I'm hoping that I can do it today. Here's a better look so you guys can see. Had to turn on the light so you could see. But anyways, there's so much potential in here. It's a disaster right now because this is just kind of like the hide closet. It's hide my stuff kind of thing. It gets deeper. As you go in here, it's deeper, and then the shelving. I mean, there's just so much room for potential to just put food in here and turn into a whole pantry so we have more storage and it'll just look nicer. So stay tuned on that. I really have been dying to just kind of revamp this place and make it into more of a personal, homey space that I love to be in because I like being at home, but I just feel like it's so plain and I feel like we just need more. So that's the plan. I'm gonna show you the space in the kitchen just so you see how limited we are, so you can see what I'm talking about. So we have this, it's kind of meh. That's literally all that we have as far as food storage goes. Under here we have the pots and pans, but it's about to overflow and we need so much more room in here to just have and know what we have. And in here we just have appliances, miscellaneous items. We got some protein powder, but I mean, that's really all the space that we have. It's just not practical for us, especially because we're a cooking household. I mean, even here, seasonings, bowls, and that's literally it. Everything else, well, there is nothing else there, but look, it's so jam-packed that even our cups are up there. So hopefully by the time we organize everything, it gets so much better, but you get the point. It's just chaos. Really want us to have enough room to do stuff. So yeah. Also, here is my outfit of the day / evening. I'm wearing some A Goldie jeans. I think I got this bodysuit from Target. Wait, no, I think it's from H&M. It's from somewhere. I think it's H&M. And then I'm wearing some shoes from Hoka. I really love wearing white bodysuits. It just adds a different look. And now that I've gotten my reduction, it's just so much more cuter to me. One thing I haven't even talked about on here yet is the fact that I had a breast reduction back in April. It's almost coming up to a year, which I cannot believe it. If you want to see some before and after videos, I do have that on my Instagram. I will incorporate that in this video just on a little clip so you can see. If you're not already, follow me on Instagram so you can take a look. They are pinned on my reels on my Instagram page, so if you want to kind of see, know more, I do have that also in my highlights, so take a look. Also, I don't know what it is, but lately I've just been experiencing some really strong brain fog. Whenever we were in Costco, I ended up grabbing this magnesium glycinate, which I'm hoping calms me down and also allows me to see clearly, feel better. I don't know, I just feel so unsure lately and I cannot even explain what it is. I've been trying to pray over it just so I can come back to my senses, but lately I've just been feeling kind of like, you know, I don't know what it is. Is it just me? Has anybody else been feeling the same way? I don't know if it's the weather. I mean, it's just super, it's weird. It's just an uneasy feeling and I just feel extra vulnerable, extra sensitive to everything. I don't know, I don't like it. I was thinking maybe it's because the wedding planning is over and now that we finally have finished that, it is just now like in my mind, I'm just thinking what's next, you know, on to the next thing. What else do we need to plan and prepare for? So maybe that's what it is. I truly don't know. I know that I'm not getting enough sleep. That could be a huge factor as to why I'm feeling this way. And I did sleep in today, but I just still feel a little like on edge. I don't know. I mean, there are so many capsules in here. There are 180 of them. More to come. I guess I'll give you guys a review. I actually don't mind this vlog style format. I might post it weekly. We shall see. But let's go to the Container Store. I definitely learned my lesson. Do I want to wear a hat or do I want to wear a scarf? Do it again.
No.
You're a gentleman, darling.
Quiet. It's an illustrious store.
I'm excited.
I know, look at that.
Feels like it's been forever since we've been in here. The last time I remember being in here, I got my bridesmaids boxes. This is cute. That's a necklace stand. It's nice. Very luxurious. Oh, that's cute.
Got rings at the bottom.
Oh, look, there's what we saw on TikTok.
Oh, the heel.
Those shoe organizers.
So the rack that we already have in the closet, we're gonna just scrap that, right?
Yeah. Do you
Yeah,
mean
'cause
like
that takes
throw it
up
away
some-
or?
Yeah.
Well, the reason why is because I'm gonna use it and turn it into a pantry for us. So we just need better shelving. This is so cute. This is like my ideal closet. Oh my god, I love the lights in here. Martin, can you get this closet for me?
Yeah.
I love that they have shirts and
got
shoes
soft
for an
clothes,
example.
too.
It really does.
So I remember
This makes me want to go back to IKEA. Okay, we found what we are looking for. I was trying to get Casey to see what idea I had because he thought that I wanted more of like a closet storage in there. This is what I'm envisioning. This is so cute. Weekly memo tablet marker. I love acrylic stationery. One thing I love about the Container Store is that it literally has everything, whether you want office stuff, home decor, organizational items. I'm gonna wander where Casey is because I don't want him to see things before me. Oh, that's nice. It's a nice travel bag.
Feel it.
Ooh, and you put your suitcase through here.
I mean, put your hand in there.
Oh my god, what is that? Do you put your dog in there? That is so cool.
Oh,
Ooh,
it's got the mesh.
I like the makeup bag. This is nice. Yeah, that doesn't look practical. It looks so tiny. You look adorable.
I think it senses when you're near. See, the blue light goes off.
Oh, you're right.
It knows when I'm still standing there. So if I just like stay here,
Yeah.
it'll stay open.
Okay, this is so funny to me because it reminds me of myself whenever I would use my straightener to iron some clothes that are on the go. Not them actually making an iron into a straightener. This store really just makes me want to get my life together. This man is still playing with the trash cans. Are you still playing with the trash cans? This really does inspire me to kind of figure out what I want to do within the pantry that we're creating today. So here's some more inspo. I love this idea too. The drawers being pulled out. Okay, we have what we need. Just waiting on Casey to grab the car so we can load up. Just made it to Home Goods because I wanted to get a ladder so I can reach the items that I can't grab now to rearrange our house. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful this glass is. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. For some reason, I've always envisioned myself having some sort of teacup situation. I just like the idea. Like, this is so cute, having your morning coffee in this.
And then you start with hearts.
I kind of want this. This would be like my daily ritual.
Who are you, a Bridgerton?
I want to romanticize my life. That smells like mahogany teak wood. Gonna get some gloves. Yeah, the gold wool is nice.
Does it smell like pancakes?
Ooh. No, I want to put my coffee in here. He's trying to de-influence me. I'm not saying no. I just want it.
Teacup.
I know, but it's for
don't
my
drink
coffee.
tea.
It's for my coffee.
Are you gonna hold it like this?
Yes. With me. Oh, there's some gloves. That's what we came here
You hear
for.
why the duck quit?
Why?
Or how he got fired?
Why did the duck get fired?
Because he went over his billable hours.
You're stupid.
That was a dumb joke.
It is a dumb joke.
Works every time.
You can count on me to laugh at it, unfortunately. You guys, we saw the cutest stroller for Mila and Leo. And it's detachable. That is so cute. Also, somebody else had it at first, and I was like, oh my god, I have to have that. We ended up leaving with more than what we needed to. We're gonna... Your face! Gonna be well worth it.
Here you go. Now people can see you.
Oh, thank you. They can see me regardless. I think we'll be okay.
No, you're a nice mocha in the darkness.
Caramel macchiato, as they say. I'll let this charge and then get the process going for the remodel that I'm gonna do.
Yeah, no, it's bad. Did you already get your drink, babe?
No, I did not.
That'll be alright.
Got some Culvers. It's a big deal here in Minnesota. This is probably our 5th time eating it, but they're normally known for their burgers, I think.
They like Brahms.
Yeah, they're like Brahms from where we're from, but more elevated, I'd feel. Like more
The fact that they have shrimp, yeah.
more luxurious of a Brahms. Hey guys, it is a day later and we are finally finished with the pantry. So I started at 10:30 to 11 o'clock and ended at like 2 a.m. My camera died, so there was just no point, but I'm gonna show you what I did. Now just Know that the aesthetic is not there the way that I'd like for it to be. However, it is a lot more spacious for what I've been wanting. Also, TikTok is back and running, so I've just been creating some content. I think we all realized how much we actually liked it. I love using TikTok just for a search engine. Just filmed a get ready with me video for my Instagram and TikTok, so stay tuned for that. I'm also going to upload it here on the shorts so you guys can see it too. Okay, here it is. It is not the most aesthetic pantry you've ever seen, but it definitely is practical for what we're needing in this apartment for now. After looking at it and going through Pinterest, I definitely have some more ideas as far as cohesiveness and hiding things so it's not cluttered, but we have so much room now in the kitchen. So this is where we had our food stored, and now I've made it into where we have our pots and our pans, especially when it comes to baking. This is gonna be so nice and easy for us to navigate without all the clutter and not knowing what we have. Here's now what it looks like. So nice and so clean, easy to grab. We know exactly where things are, which is what we needed the most. Also, I'm not quite finished with this one yet. We're still trying to figure out what all to do with the items down here, and I'm gonna be organizing a drawer, but for now, I love the way this looks. Well, I hope you guys liked this vlog. This was so fun to actually do. I definitely can see myself doing these more. You guys just let me know what you think, if you like the vlogs or if you like specific formats, specific things you'd like for me to talk about. I definitely would love to hear your thoughts, especially with this being my first YouTube vlog. I'm super excited to hear feedback if there are any. Yeah, I'm really excited. I will have a reel for the way that I organize the pantry at first on my Instagram content as well as YouTube shorts, so you guys can see that too. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.